Dat boekje. Ja, dat heb je dat Ah, dat is ook interessant voor mij.
Wij geen abonneren. En we moesten daar nu dat plan. Ja, dat is wel mooi. Dat is wel mooi.
Dat is.
Nee. Test. Welcome on board. Welcome in my city. The most beautiful city of Belgium. Bienvenue à bord dans la plus belle ville de notre pays. Moi, je suis Thomas. My name is Thomas. I'm your captain and guide. 2 languages. De langue. You just got on board on the river Billis. 500 meters downstream, it flows to another river, the Scheldt. It was on that location that Ghent started to grow in the 7th century. Those days there were Celtic people living up here, and the Celtic word for confluence was ganda. We didn't have enough sheep. We needed their wool for our textile industry. We made so-called Flemish cloth, Vlaams laken. That's the reason why Ghent became such a rich city. In a few moments, around the corner, I can show you why they call Ghent the Three-Tower City, the Manhattan of the Middle Ages. All those PE kits in Belgium are symbols for the people who worked with leather. Because in urine there's a substance, ammoniac, makes the leather softer, more flexible. Urine was gathered in every bar of the city. It had a certain value. It was sold. To sell more, sometimes people poured water into it. Not good for the quality of the leather. So there was somebody with a profession who had to taste from the urine to see whether it was pure or not. Not a joke. It was not even the worst job there was. If you think you have a shitty job, think again. But in the 16th century it was a hospice for old women, old quite relative. The girls were allowed to get married at the age of 12. Several children before they were 20 was no exception, and when the men died at battlefield, the widows were welcome at the age of 35. Si nous continuons sur le pont suivant, nous entrons le In the Oxblood Red building straight in front of us lives one of the most hated men in the UK. Our former Prime Minister, Guy Verhofstadt, negotiator of the Brexit, that's his wooden handmade boat from Tuscany over €500,000, lives together in the Red House with 2 other families, the Red House which got completely renovated with our European tax money, €318,000.